Hey everybody, I'm Marcel here at Tyger Auto, and today we're going to be showcasing Tyger's towing hitch kit for the Ford Bronco. Now this trailer hitch isn't designed for the Ford Bronco Sport, it's actually designed for the Ford body-on-frame construction style model. The hitch itself is made out of high quality carbon steel and features a 2-inch receiver that will allow you to tow up to 3,500 pounds, which will basically allow you to tow all of your outdoor equipment anywhere you want. Now the installation is super simple, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we begin, let's make sure that all the parts are here and accounted for, and also take a look at the instruction manual to make sure that we have all the tools necessary to do the job. First, we'll start from below the rear bumper. Look for these 4 holes along the crossmember, which we will use to mount the main assembly. Go ahead and take the main assembly and install it to the crossmember like this. For the driver's side bolt, we'll also attach the wire harness bracket before installing the lock nut. Make sure the long bolts are inserted from the back side of the crossmember and the lock nuts facing the outside. After that, double check the alignment before tightening all the bolts. If you have a wiring harness installed on your Bronco and trailer, go ahead and attach the outlet bracket here and you're ready for your next adventure. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, go ahead and subscribe to us, and also turn on your notifications so we can bring you guys more product demos from Tyger.